Hi, I'm Pradesha here. I have made a 2D game by using a Visual Studio Code, and I have included there. The game name which is called as a car racer game. So this is the instruction to run this game I have given. See here, first of all, the press here to start the game. That means you must press here. That means the pink box, you need to select this. You must click it. Then only you can go through the game. Next is use arrow keys, right, left, up, down keys to move the cars. That means there are everyone knows, I guess, the left key, right key, up key, and down key. Right key means to move the car right side, and the left key is to move the car left sides, and the up key means to move forward the car, and down key means you can move the car backwards too. Next is if you hit another car, you will lose. That means if you hit another car or if you crashed another car, you will be losing and the game will be over. Now I have given some levels. That means like entry level, moderate level, and difficult level. That means these three types of level I have given. Now I would like to play and show this game, how it's working. We'll see. Is 632. So press here to restart the game. Again, I would like to show how my game is working. Because of that, the game has been over. So this is game over, and again I got the final score as 417 as shown in the scoreboard. And press click. You need to click here to restart the game. This is how I have created my game using the Visual Studio Code. Now I would like to show my codings, how I have created this game to get an idea for you all also. So this is my codings. This is my codings. So here I have created a new folder in the file explorer. I have given a name as my game's name, which is called as a car racer game. So car racer game, under that I have create another folder assets called as an assets, because I have created this for my convenience to include this audios and images file. So it can be easily, I can find my images file names and the extensions and the audio files, their names and the extensions. So I can check here. Because of that, I have created for my convenience, I have created a folder called as an assets. So here I have created an HTML, which I have given a name called as an index.html, and JavaScript is script.js, and CSS is known as I have given style.css. So this is my codings I have in index.html. I have given a name first of all in a tag called as a doctype HTML, and I have given another tag HTML inside the HTML. Language means I have preferred English language. So the main thing we need to be included here is to link this script.js and style.css. We need to link here inside the index.html too. So I have added these two types of links. Here the link character equals style.css, and I have added link the script.javascript also. So I have included this both both links, so I can connect this both to the any changes which shows in this script.js and style.css. When I am opening to the browser, when I am reloading, it shows the output there also. So here I have added these are my codings, how I have given the style.css and other codings, and the inside the body tag I have included the div class equals car game. My game's name I have included, and I have given the title also the car racer. Inside the car tag and inside the school, I have added the inside the div class tag. So as here I have given the press as I showed before, the press here to start the game. I have added inside the p tag, that means paragraph tag. So here I have given inside the div tag, and I have selected what are the levels are there in this game. So inside the button tag, I have given what are the levels are there in this game. So I have given easy level, moderate level, and if you're moderate with something like medium level game. So this is my index.html page, how I have given, how it's have given. So next thing is I would like to explain what is script. I have given style.css file. Style.css, these are my coding, how I have given. This is how I have given the codings for each functions, like car game and car enemy car means the other opposite cars, and I gave the road lines, their absolutes and the pixels. But we need to remember that the pixel is different from other pieces, other person's pieces. That means if you are doing a game, you need to use another pixel, that means the pixel which is suitable for your pieces, not my pixels, because this pixel is different from your pieces. That's the main thing we need to be considered in style.css. So these are the codings I have given, score and the levels, level buttons, everything. Next thing is script.js, that means JavaScript. Inside the JavaScript, I have mentioned some const things, that means it's a type of a variable, specifies the variable value that is constant. So I have given a comment as loading audio files, and I have given a game and every the thing which I have included in this. These are my codings of the JavaScripts. So I got here I have included the images. What are the images I have included in these games as in the set folder as an image, a file, and inside the set folder another file, audio file. Inside that I have mentioned the game MP3s, that means audios which I have used for these games. This is my game, and again I would like to show how my game is played. So I would like to go for the index.html and right click, and again go for the open in default browser. So I get like this screen, my game. So again I'm pressing the lever. Using this Visual Studio game. So I'm very happy if you all get an idea by using this game, how I created. If you all created too by using my ideas, how I was created this. And I should thank my lecturers who have taught me how to create these 2D games by using Visual Studio Code. Thank you, lecturers. Thank you, every lecturers. I must thank every lecturers and the Java Institute. So thank you. Thank you. Thanks for watching.